Hey guys, Shanna Cramer here with Creatively Uncorked, and today we are going to do a 10-minute painting. First thing you want to do is find a reference photo, sketch it out onto your canvas. Try to do this as in few shapes as possible. We're going for the big story, not the little details right now. Let's get to it. Okay, we've got some, as long as we got the triangles, we got the arms in the triangles. Triangles are arms, or arms are triangles. And this kayak kind of bows up a little. Okay, and we've got some sticks out. And I'm definitely making her bigger on the painting than she is on the original. And slightly crookeder as well with the crap. Alright, maybe I can fix that with paint, huh? What do you think? Well, we'll give it a try. So, like that. Okay. And now I'm going to stop worrying about it and move the heck on. Green gold, which is one of my new favorite colors. There's some yellow. Here's some white. And I'm even going to add a teeny little dot speck of orange because lately I've been finding it a little bit hard to use green without orange or purple. Like those three colors just go together in my brain now. I also need a different orange. I mean, I could make her kayak really any color I want, but bam, what about that? Pow. So let's do this. I think I'll start out with this big old filbert, okay? And I'm going to do this light yellow. And I know this isn't really the color of it, but I also know this background is super dark. Green gold, green gold. I keep seeing movement out here right above my canvas. It's a little distracting. It's just birds. There's a bird feeder out there. Birds are happy about it. Okay, a little more of this green gold this time. A little more water, a little more green gold. Okay, a little more white. Brighten that on up. Oh, I know what I need. A little bit of blue, regular blue. Anyway, I've decided I really like this blue. It's a great blending blue. Great blending blue. I've been kind of fighting over which is the best blue to use for most situations because I don't want to carry every single blue. I think this is the easy winner. Go right over the top of her little arms there, and then here's where we start to get a little darker green. And I'll probably eventually just like let this fade out into that background. I chose a dark background for a reason, right? Okay, cover up some of those oddball colors though that just don't belong. Let's get that glow. Whoop. Bright, bright, bright. Ooh, bright, bright. How about a little bit of orange in that glow? That's nice. Very nice. Orange and green. Right up in here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Get that little bit of orange splash in there. Okay, it's starting to look like I'm being rushed here, probably because I'm rushing myself here. Let's do a little bit more bright color, like something right in here for a reflection. More water. Okay, onward. I have these bright whites that I think really make the picture, really do. Before I get to that though, I'm going to smooth this. I like that orange, but it's got to smooth. I can even take it down here into this blue. Okay, onward to that white that I keep talking about and not doing. So I get a big blob of white on the boat, blob of white between her arm and the things around her arm, white around the hair, it's really light around the hair. Okay, let's see now. Bright white. Come on, bright, bright white. Okay, so now I'm going to get into a little bit of a little water. You know, I always tell my students anytime you're painting with water, you use watery paint. Simple, right? Makes sense? These sparkles are looking yellow. I don't have any clean white paint anymore, and I'm too stubborn to get more. Well, like it matters anyway. It's just going to blend into whatever wet color is underneath it. All right, how's that? Sparkly enough? More white? Trying to get some sparkles in there, but it might be too early in the painting for sparkles. Let's see if I can get those trees up in here, because there's some details in this painting that this painting is nothing without, like that tree. More white. Let's see if this is enough. Getting a lot of bright colors in there. Maybe I can green it down a little with something. Leave some holes. I've already got a dark greeny blue in the background. I just got to leave some holes. Leave an opening. So it's not just orange. You remember what dark orange is? Yep, blue. Okay, now a little more orange. Kind of that shape in there now. Again with a dark orange. So I'll be putting that right down here. All right. Oh. I don't need to keep messing with it. As long as there's a boater sitting in it holding paddles, I think it will read boat. Okay, so now up to our jacket, which is going to be more green. I guess I can make it any color I want, but ooh, as long as it's darker than the background, right? Or a different color than the background. I think it'll be okay though, because she's got some arms that are going to be in the way. She's got kind of a warm brown hair with a glow. That backlighting is so nice. And I'll add a touch of, do I have any more white? A touch of white to that color. And I'm hoping it turns into skin color. Maybe a little more orange, maybe a little more yellow. Okay, so this is a really dirty, dirty skin color. Maybe I'll try a little more orange, a little more white. Maybe I'll just do orange for now. More yellow at least. So she's got the lines out here somewhere. Yep, there it is. You know how I know? Because I accidentally touched the brush to the canvas, and now that's where it is. It's like birds. Nobody ever deliberately paints birds in their sky. They happen because you splatter paint or drop a brush or something. Now you have birds. Alright, so I can do a little dot, dot, a little dot, dot. I'll rinse that out and put some white in between. All those paddles have shadows and reflections. Not that thick. It is so humid here today. It's been raining for like 12 hours straight, and the paint is not drying at all. Wow, I sure do like that green and blue and orange combination. What a gorgeous color. There. Thanks for watching. If you're still following along, please do subscribe and consider becoming a member of Creative Just Live as well. See you soon.